I was once overwhelmed by negative thoughts, feeling trapped in my own mind. One day I stumbled upon a simple practice of repeating positive affirmations. I am enough. I am worthy. These words slowly began to shift my mindset, helping me find peace and clarity. And these simple words can do the same for you. Start your day by repeating affirmations that resonate with you. I am deserving. I am powerful. I am in love. By doing this, you reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing negative patterns with positive beliefs. This practice will clear your mental state, reduce stress, and open your heart to new possibilities. Every morning, take a moment for yourself, breathe deeply, and speak these affirmations with conviction. You will notice a profound change in your outlook and in your life.
Affirmations are more than just words. They are powerful tools for reshaping your thoughts. By repeating positive affirmations daily, you can break free from negative thought patterns and cultivate a mindset of positivity and self-love. Start each day with these simple yet powerful phrases. I am deserving. I am powerful. I am in love. As you say these words, believe in their truth and let them sink into your consciousness. Over time, you'll notice a shift in how you perceive yourself and the world around you. It's important to be consistent with this practice. Set aside a few minutes each morning to focus on your affirmations. Say them aloud, write them down, or even look into a mirror as you speak them. This act of self-recognition and reinforcement helps to solidify these positive messages in your mind. When negative thoughts arise, counter them with your affirmations. Instead of getting bogged down by self-doubt or fear, remind yourself of your worth and potential. This shift in thinking can help reduce anxiety, boost confidence, and improve overall mental well-being. Incorporating affirmations into your daily routine can also enhance your relationships. As you become more positive and self-assured, you naturally attract the same energy from others. This creates a supportive and loving environment that further nurtures your growth. Affirmations are a simple yet effective way to improve your mental state. They help you focus on your strengths, build resilience, and create a positive outlook on life. By making this practice a part of your daily routine, you can achieve a sense of peace and clarity that empowers you to navigate life's challenges with confidence. As you begin your day with affirmations, notice how these words start to influence your thoughts and actions. It's not just about repeating phrases mindlessly. It's about connecting with the meaning behind them. When you say, I am deserving, you are affirming your right to happiness and success. This simple acknowledgement can shift your entire perspective, making you more open to opportunities and positive experiences. Affirmations also serve as a powerful tool to combat negative self-talk. We often have an inner critic that undermines our confidence and self-worth. By consciously repeating positive statements, you can drown out this negative voice. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, I'm not good enough, immediately counter it with, I am capable and strong. Over time, this practice weakens the hold of negative thoughts and strengthens your self-belief. Incorporating affirmations into your daily routine can also enhance your emotional resilience. Life is full of ups and downs, but with a positive mindset, you can navigate these fluctuations more smoothly. Affirmations such as I am resilient or I can handle whatever comes my way reinforce your inner strength, and prepare you to face challenges with a calm and composed attitude. Moreover, affirmations can significantly impact your physical health. The mind-body connection is powerful, and positive thoughts can lead to improved physical well-being. Stress, for instance, is a major contributor to various health issues. By reducing stress through affirmations like, "I am calm and relaxed," you can promote better health and overall wellness. Affirmations are not just for individual benefit. They can improve your interactions with others as well. When you hold a positive view of yourself, it reflects in your behavior and communication. You become more confident, compassionate, and empathetic, which enhances your relationships. Affirmations such as "I am kind and loving" help you approach others with a warm and open heart. To get the most out of affirmations, consistency is key. Make it a daily habit, just like brushing your teeth. Find a quiet moment each morning to focus on your affirmations. You might also incorporate them into your nighttime routine, reinforcing positive thoughts before you sleep. This regular practice ensures that positive thinking becomes second nature. It's also helpful to personalize your affirmations. While general positive statements are effective, creating affirmations that address your specific goals and challenges can be even more powerful. If you're working towards a promotion, for instance, affirmations like, "I am successful in my career," or "I am recognized for my hard work," can keep you motivated and focused. Visualization can amplify the power of affirmations. As you repeat your positive statements, visualize yourself achieving your goals and living out these affirmations. This mental imagery helps to solidify the belief that these affirmations are your reality. Seeing yourself succeed in your mind's eye makes it easier to manifest those successes in real life. In moments of doubt or stress, turn to your affirmations for comfort and reassurance. They are your mental anchors, grounding you and reminding you of your worth and potential. Whether you're facing a difficult decision or simply having a tough day, repeating your affirmations can provide the strength and clarity you need. Sharing your affirmations with others can also be a source of mutual support. Encourage friends or family members to join you in this practice. Sharing positive statements and experiences can create a ripple effect, spreading positivity and uplifting those around you. This collective positivity can reinforce your commitment to maintaining a positive mindset. Affirmations can also be a powerful tool for setting intentions. As you start your day, use affirmations to set a positive tone and direction. Statements like, "I am focused and productive," or "I attract opportunities," can help you approach the day with a clear and positive mindset, aligning your actions with your goals. You have to be patient with yourself. Changing thought patterns takes time, and the effects of affirmations may not be immediate. Trust in the process and stay committed. Every time you repeat an affirmation, you are planting a seed of positivity in your mind. With time and consistency, these seeds will grow, leading to a healthier, more positive mental state. As you integrate affirmations into your daily life, you'll start noticing subtle changes in your mindset and behavior. The consistent repetition of positive statements slowly rewires your brain, creating new neural pathways that support optimism and self-confidence. This mental shift is crucial in overcoming self-doubt and fear. Affirmations work best when they resonate deeply with you. Take some time to reflect on what you truly need to hear and believe about yourself. Customizing your affirmations ensures they address your personal challenges and aspirations. For instance, if you're struggling with self-love, affirmations like, "I am worthy of love and respect," can be particularly powerful. Creating a supportive environment for your affirmations is also essential. Write them down and place them where you can see them throughout the day. In your mirror, fridge, or workspace. These visual reminders reinforce positive thinking and keep you focused on your goals. Incorporate affirmations into your meditation or mindfulness practice. As you sit quietly and focus on your breath, repeat your affirmations mentally or out loud. This practice not only calms your mind, but also embeds these positive messages deeper into your subconscious. Affirmations can also be used to address specific areas of your life. If you're working on financial abundance, use statements like, "I am financially secure," or "I attract wealth and prosperity." For improving relationships, try, "I am surrounded by loving and supportive people." Tailoring affirmations to different aspects of your life ensures a holistic approach to mental well-being. One of the key benefits of affirmations is their ability to reduce stress. By focusing on positive statements, you divert your mind from anxiety-inducing thoughts. This practice can be particularly effective during stressful situations, helping you maintain a calm and composed demeanor. Affirmations can also boost your creativity and problem-solving skills. Positive thinking opens your mind to new possibilities and perspectives, making it easier to find innovative solutions to challenges. Statements like, "I am creative and resourceful," can stimulate your brain and enhance your ability to think outside the box. Using affirmations to foster a growth mindset can lead to significant personal development. By affirming that you can learn and grow from every experience, you cultivate resilience and a proactive attitude. This mindset helps you view setbacks as opportunities for growth rather than failures. Affirmations are powerful tools for improving self-esteem. Many people struggle with feelings of inadequacy, but regularly affirming your worth can gradually change how you perceive yourself. Statements like, "I am confident and capable," reinforce a positive self-image and help you approach life with greater self-assurance. Integrating affirmations into your exercise routine can also be beneficial. As you work out, repeat affirmations like, "I am strong and healthy," or "My body is capable and resilient." This practice not only motivates you to push through physical challenges, but also reinforces a positive connection between your mind and body. Affirmations can improve your sleep quality as well. Before going to bed, spend a few minutes repeating calming statements like, "I am at peace," or "I welcome restful sleep." This ritual can help quiet your mind and prepare your body for a night of deep, restorative sleep. Doubt can undermine their effectiveness, so give yourself permission to fully believe in the power of your words. Trust that these positive statements are creating a foundation for a more fulfilling and joyful life.
So start today. Use these simple words to shift your mindset and clean your mental state. Affirmations have the power to change your life, just as they did mine. If you found this advice helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing tips. Thank you for watching and stay positive.